A novel, flexible organic crystal created by scientists at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IISER, Bhopal has enormous promise for application in extremely sensitive pressure sensors. Outcomes: compared to other materials, the device made from this material has a high sensitivity to pressure, making it a promising component for advancing pressure sensor technology in the future. These eco-friendly materials can create flexible electronic medical equipment, intelligent systems, wearable technology, and self-powered gadgets. Researchers at IISER Bhopal have developed a new, flexible organic crystal. The crystal, called 4-trifluoromethylphenyl isothiocyanate, 4-CFNCS, is highly sensitive to pressure. The material is environmentally friendly and can be used in a variety of flexible electronic devices. The findings of the research have been published in the journal Small. A novel, flexible organic crystal created by scientists at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IISER, Bhopal has enormous promise for application in extremely sensitive pressure sensors. It can bend, twist, and coil the 4-trifluoromethylphenyl isothiocyanate, 4-CFNCS, crystal. Researchers from the University of Queensland and the Queensland University of Technology worked together to understand how these crystals react to mechanical deformation. Compared to other materials, the device made from this material has a high sensitivity to pressure, making it a promising component for advancing pressure sensor technology in the future. To create the piezo-resistive sensor, the joint team mixed 4-CFNCS with PEDOT, PSS, an electrically conductive polymer. These eco-friendly materials can create flexible electronic medical equipment, intelligent systems, wearable technology, and self-powered gadgets. The researchers have not only identified the source of flexibility in this novel organic crystal, but they have also created highly accurate pressure sensors using it. The research's findings have been published in a paper co-authored by Professor Deepak Chopra, Dr. Mitradip Bhattacharjee, and their research assistants, Ms. Avantika Hasija and Mr. Lakbir Singh from IISER Bhopal, as well as Drs. Amy J. Thompson, Jack K. Clegg, John C. McMurdery from the University of Queensland in Australia, and Ms. Megha S. N. and Kiran S. What is the name of the new, flexible organic crystal developed by researchers at IISER Bhopal? The new, flexible organic crystal is called 4-trifluoromethylphenyl isothiocyanate, 4-CFNCS. What are some potential applications of the new organic crystal developed by IISER Bhopal researchers? The new organic crystal has potential applications in designing flexible electronic devices in healthcare, intelligent systems, wearables, and self-powered devices. How does the new organic crystal compare to existing materials in terms of sensitivity to pressure? The new organic crystal has a higher sensitivity to pressure when compared to existing materials, making it a promising component for the future development of pressure sensor technology. What other institutions were involved in the research on the new organic crystal? The research on the new organic crystal was done in collaboration with researchers from the University of Queensland and Queensland University of Technology. Where was the findings of the research on the new organic crystal published? The findings of the research were published in a journal Small and a paper co-authored by researchers from IISER Bhopal and the University of Queensland, Australia and SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katankalathar, Chennai.